Hey y'all, Jen from Squizito. Welcome to the Now We're Cooking Olive Oil show. Today I'm taking you to Shanna's house and she's making a watermelon feta salad with blood orange oil and Denissimo Balsamic. I'm taking also the lemongrass mint and the basil oil because those are amazing on watermelon. She's also gonna make flatbread. I wrote it down so I wouldn't forget it. A flatbread with bacon, arugula, and chutney with Tuscan herb oil and Denissimo Balsamic. So I have everything lined up here to take, and I'm gonna take you to Shanna's now. Let's go. Hey y'all, so we made it to Shanna's house and her friend, who is now my friend Carrie, is here. And so I wanted to show you the products that we brought, and now Shanna is gonna tell you a little bit about what she is going to make. So show us what you're gonna make.
So summertime, we're thinking appetizers, and one of our favorite appetizers, Carrie does not like sweet and savory. Like, it is not her thing.
No. Okay.
She does like this, however. And so basically what I do is I buy the just the non-bread flatbread.
Okay.
And so I probably went to 3 different places trying to find this. I finally found it at Kroger. Kroger had it.
Okay.
So this, I used some bacon and this is Béarnaise sauce.
Okay.
I make this, and I believe Kroger is the only place I can find this.
Okay.
And some arugula and a little feta cheese.
Okay.
Now here's the other thing. Mango chutney.
Okay.
You're not going to be able to find this anywhere but in the ketchup aisle at Kroger. Guaranteed. When I was shopping at your place the other day, I found this little gem. And it's the uncured bacon jam.
All
So
right.
I figured we'd try one with this and one with this and see what we thought the different flavors would be.
So the flatbread, you're gonna do flatbread, and then you're also gonna do a watermelon salad.
You look for one that has the
course,
nice
yeah.
yellow coloring.
That means it's sat there for a long
Yes,
time.
and it's had time to ripen. So they say if it has any white on it, don't buy it. You have to get it when it's creamy yellow looking.
Okay, perfect.
And this looks pretty creamy.
It looks pretty creamy.
Pretty yellow.
I hope it's good.
I hope so too.
Okay, so we're gonna get started on this. What are you gonna do first?
So Carrie is going to start with the bacon.
Okay.
And I'll probably throw the Béarnaise sauce together.
Okay.
And then we'll throw a couple of the flatbreads in the oven.
Okay.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of put a little bit of
Olive oil?
Yeah, I'm trying to think. Did we bring
blood orange?
No.
Oh, the Tuscan herb.
Tuscan herb.
Yep, got it.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do the Tuscan herb on this
Okay.
and just brown it a little bit.
Okay.
So then when Carrie gets the bacon done and I get the Béarnaise done, then we'll put that on there.
Okay.
We'll pop it back in the oven and then top it with the chutney, the arugula, and the feta.
Okay. Anybody watching that's in Central Arkansas right now, if you're interested in making one of these videos, all you have to do is call me and we'll set up a date. I'll bring the oil and the balsamic vinegar and you cook, I film, and we put the recipe out for everybody else to enjoy. So it's really fun. It's a good way to get everybody's different recipes out for everybody to enjoy because I've never had a recipe like this, so I'm excited to get to try it. So I hope you enjoy this too. Okay, so this is the Tuscan herb oil you are painting on with the basting brush. The flatbread, awesome. And bacon you're chopping, yep.
Yeah,
Keeping shears,
super
those are
easy.
awesome.
So much easier than
No, yeah.
a knife sometimes. So.
And look at this beautiful cutting board that Shanna's dad made. Isn't it beautiful?
So pretty.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll pop this on and I'll get the bechamel. No, this is Béarnaise.
What did you say
Béarnaise.
you put the oven on? Oh, I see right now. 425 degrees. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see it on the video. 425 degrees.
So I'm just going to throw that in there for 7 minutes just to kind of heat it up a little bit.
Okay.
And then when we put the other ingredients on it, when the bacon gets done and we get everything done, then we'll broil it on there so it gets kind of like a nice little broily kind of thing going on.
Okay, so Carrie is frying up the bacon. So when that's done, that's what's gonna go on the flatbread. It's gonna be amazing. Look at Shanna's stash. I wanna show you her stash really quick while we're back here. Isn't that awesome? Look at that.
So-
that came from our store too.
What is my favorite?
Denissimo.
I can never say it. but you always know it's in there because
It's so thick.
it's so there is, to me, after I've had this, I could not have another balsamic ever in my life.
I know.
Yeah.
It's so good. Thank you. That's awesome. I appreciate you saying that. Okay, so you got the sauce made.
Yes.
That was fast. Follow the directions on the package.
And this.
Yes. It was really fast, way faster than my bacon.
So, like on these, on the flatbread, you just want to have them nice and browned like that. And the only reason I brown them before I put the stuff on is because I like a little bit crispier crust. I don't like like a soggy crust with mine.
Makes sense. I'm the same.
Okay.
Most people are.
So I have a little surprise for you.
Oh, I'm excited. Okay.
Well, it's not like it's a sideways surprise. So I was so excited when we talked about, I had forgotten about this bacon jam.
Okay.
So I just got a little something I want to throw in to just try with it and
Okay,
see
of
if you
course.
like it. So this right here is just, you basically take any kind of bread, and I think I use like honey butter bread, and I just cut little rounds. I actually took my wine glass and went like that and cut
Okay.
little wines.
That works.
And then I just basted them, threw them under the broiler, and browned them.
Okay.
Now I'll do this a lot, and I just keep them in the refrigerator for like a week, because in case I have to make a appetizer real quick, I'll have them in the refrigerator. So I'm going to try this with the uncured bacon jam.
Okay.
So this is 1 package of cream cheese
Okay.
and 1 egg.
Okay.
And you just beat it until it's smooth. I'm just gonna throw that in a piping bag. Or
I love your accent.
I know, I was just gonna say, you guys say bag.
Bag.
Well, we didn't
Bag.
say it for 4 seconds.
You
we
said
said it less than 4 seconds.
Bag.
Bag. I was in Walmart the other day, and the gal goes to me. She goes, I'm talking to her because I have to talk to everybody all the time.
Yeah, me too.
And she goes, so how long have you been here? And I'm like, 15 minutes.
Did she mean it in Arkansas?
Yes.
I thought she meant the store.
No, I knew what she meant, but I was
Oh.
being smart. Okay, so you've got your rounds, and these are cool. They're not like hot or anything. I
Okay.
threw them in the refrigerator, and so I'm just going to. This
I
is
don't own one of those bags.
What?
I'll have to get one.
You have to get one. Then I'm just gonna throw a little bit of this bacon jam, and that chutney one that you were talking about would be so good in this.
Got a bonus item added in. You can get this at our store in Cabot. Peppercorn uncured bacon jam.
That is
Okay.
really good.
That's so cute.
There you go.
Okay.
And so I'm gonna throw this in. It's 425. I'm gonna throw it in and set the timer for about 12 minutes.
Okay.
Not to say it could take more or less. You just
Okay.
kind of gotta watch it.
Okay.
I just put a little bit of this bechamel on there. Is it Bernaise or
Bernaise.
You can either get Bernaise or bechamel. I've used both of them. So I just basically put a little bit of that on there, and then throw a little bit of bacon on there. So then when we get this out, we'll put a little bit of arugula and a little bit of feta on there.
Yum.
And then just drizzle a little bit of balsamic or a lot of bit of balsamic on it, and that's what we do on Friday nights.
Okay. Okay.
And that'll go in like 425 is kind of my. I don't follow really any recipes ever, so it's just kind of my lucky number. I kind of feel like everything does good at 425.
I'm a 400.
Are you?
I'm a 400. Yeah.
I'm a 75.
You're
Are you? Oh, that's awesome.
That is beautiful.
It is.
Oh wow! I wasn't even paying attention, and you got it out.
So then now we'll take some arugula and we'll throw it on, and some feta cheese, and throw our balsamic on top of there, and Denissimo,
Awesome.
right?
Yep.
Denissimo.
And
So
it tastes like bacon.
You can tell these ladies cook together a lot. They're neighbors, and they have a whole group of cool friends that hang out together and cook together all the time. So this is really cool to be able to hang out with them.
Okay, so I'm gonna do. I've got 3 little salad plates, so I'm gonna do 3 and 3. So we'll try the
Lemongrass mint
Lemongrass
with
mint.
basil.
and then the blood orange, we're gonna try them. We'll do just.
Somebody watching is going,
No, because somebody's like, what word is she saying?
So what she's trying to say is, oh,
Mina said you're all doing it wrong.
yeah, Mina's gonna tell us.
So wrong.
Oh, girl. Oh,
Okay,
girl.
so, you want to throw a couple pine nuts on here? Okay.
Yes.
You don't have to eat any of this.
Cross over you. I'm gonna wait till you're done, and then I'll do it behind you.
Gosh.
Okay.
I
Well, I want to try yours because I know what this one.
Yeah.
I thought that was going to be really over flavoring, and it's not.
The lemongrass.
Yeah, I did. I thought it was going to be really over flavoring.
The blood orange with the Denissimo is amazing.
Mm.
So, if y'all want these recipes, they are going to be on our website soon. I'll link it down in the description below, or I will just put the recipes in the description below.
There's no recipes.
Oh,
Here's a
we had it
Okay,
along
well-
the way. Well, I can rewatch the video and
Yeah.
I'll get it from there.
Yeah.
Really, yeah. So if y'all like this video, please like it. And if you want to subscribe, then you can hit the notification bell. And then you'll know whenever we have a new video out. And I hope y'all have a tasty week. Thank y'all.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.